Hello all! You made it through the midterm. I'm sure you did fine. I shall be really updating your grades probably by Tuesday evening, I think. That's my plan. And this is my cat's tail that you're seeing. This week, we have a bunch of stuff. Module 10 is, of course, the main focus. And that really gets a little more in depth about PCR, polymerase chain reaction. Since it's complicated when you first look at it, but it's a technique people use for so many things. And so it's important that you know about it and understand all the places in the world that people use this. And it's incredibly important for medical diagnostics. And actually, a lot of what you're learning about this week has applications there. So enjoy. The cool thing is that it can be used to count how much DNA is in a cell or how much RNA is in a cell or in a body. And that's a really powerful thing to count little molecules. So PCR is pretty powerful that way. And then also, we're just still talking about using DNA to change microorganisms and create a new product, which is the foundation of biotech. And that leads us into next week. The next week is going to be an in-depth study of how people make a drug that targets lung cancer. And so that's going to be a big story, but I think it'll be really fulfilling. So this is the last week of kind of here's this, here's that, and now we're going to put it into practice next week. With that vein, one thing that happens this week is soon you should expect an email from me with a classmate's report for you to summarize. That is part of this week's assignment. Remember to read it carefully, understand it well, and the best assignments, the best grades will come from concisely summarizing your classmate's work. Longer is not necessarily better in this case. If you can get their point across in a really short amount of time, that's what bosses want to see from people, and you can practice doing that. Last thing, two last things. One, makeup week. I'll send this in the email, but basically you can tell me one quiz you want to redo or do it all, one discussion participation you want to finish doing and get a grade for, and one assignment you want to hand in or redo. You need to email me by Wednesday morning, first thing. If I need to open up a quiz, that's when I'll do that for you. The other things you can just go ahead and do. They'll be due October 29th. Okay, so you can make up one of each type of assignment. And last but not least, there are live meetings this week, so check the D2L and hope to see you. I think that's it, and you should expect an email from me sometime today, Monday, with your classmates' report. Have fun!